Hello guys and Merry Christmas. Today we're gonna be playing Train Eater. I saw Glitch Plays play it, so I decided why not I play it. I have played this game a little bit, but I'm not the best. So I'm going to be trying to get all the presents out of 35. And who knows what happens? So yeah. Come on, open. Huh? What? Oh, there's one right over there. This isn't so hard. This isn't too hard. What is this? I'm out. Nope, this is... I'm not scared yet. Did I just come here for one? I feel like a monster is just gonna appear right in front of me. Oh, I didn't see that. Easy. I mean, I really don't care if the train comes. I'm only here for the... rower. It has to be right here, right? No, not even one. Serious? Nah. Whoa, I'm blind. Oh. Oh. I'm actually pretty good at this. It's easy. But now I have to find the left. I feel like we need VIP to get in here. Wait. Groovy. Gloomy Dynamos. Why did I just see Sunny? Why the hell is there Sunny?
The train on platform 2 goes to the museum. Next stop, museum.
have that one. I don't have that one normally. What? Yeah, I already have it. I don't remember. Where's the last ones? I'm not gonna go to the other station. You know what? Fine, I'll go to the other station. Oh.
The train on platform 1 was to Museum. First stop, Telford, then St. James. Museum.
So let's choose just no. No, actually let's sit in the front. I'm gonna stay over here. It's return to train enter. Huh? Did you just survive? So there's a bad train in this. Is it a good one? Oh yeah, I literally forgot that you were recording. Oh my god. So, I'm just gonna be going in. No problem, nothing. So we just need to keep going and hope we find the presents. Because I only have it. Because I only have 18 left. Not 18 left. I just need to get. I only have 18. I just feel like I'm gonna get run over. Oh, no, 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 no. I hope it's not me. Yeah, actually, I really want it to be me. picking player. I hope it's me. Yes, it's me. So yeah, I'm the kid. I'm the train teacher. Oh, finally, I'm done.
The train on platform 2 goes to museum. Next stop, museum.
So I'll find it in the next video because I'm actually pretty lazy. Yeah, so bye guys, and I might remake a video today as the part 2. So yeah.